Title: What Really Matters in Mech Arena for Beginners. If you're new to Mech Arena, you might think the most important thing is having the strongest mech, the best pilot, or the rarest implants. But honestly, that's usually not what helps beginners the most for new players. The biggest difference comes from using the right weapons, taking better fights, and building your hangar in a smart way. So here are the 7 things that really matter most for beginners. Number 1. Weapons. Weapons matter more than anything else. They decide your damage, your range, your pressure, and the way your whole build plays. A strong mech with the wrong weapons will often feel weak, but a simple mech with the right weapons can perform really well. So, for beginners, the best weapon is not always the rarest one. It's the one that fits your mech, fits your playstyle, and feels reliable in real matches. Number 2. Strategy and positioning. This is where a lot of fights are really decided. If you know how to use cover, hold good angles, and stay in the right place, you can make average gear look much stronger. A lot of beginners lose fights not because their build is bad, but because they stand in the open or push at the wrong time. Good positioning alone can instantly improve your results. Number 3. Tactics. Tactics is all about how you take fights. Do you rush in alone? Do you push while reloading? Do you fight 2 enemies at once? Or do you wait for the right moment? Small decisions like these matter a lot. Sometimes just backing off, waiting 1 second longer, or attacking with a teammate makes all the difference. Number 4. Mech choice. Yes, your mech matters too. Your mech gives you speed, durability, energy, and ability. But for beginners, the mech is not the first thing to focus on. What matters more is whether the mech actually works with your weapons and your playstyle. Don't just ask which mech is strongest. Ask which mech fits my build best. Number 5. Pilots. Pilots are important, but they should support your build, not control it. A lot of beginners choose a pilot first and then force a setup around it. Usually that's the wrong order. Start with the weapons you want to use, then pick the pilot that makes those weapons better. Number 6. Implants. Implants are useful, but beginners often overrate them. Implants can improve a strong setup, but they won't fix a weak one if your mech pilot and weapons don't work well together. Implants won't suddenly make the build amazing. Number 7. Raw skill. Of course, skill matters, but for beginners, skill grows over time. You do not need perfect aim or insane movement right away. First, you need a build that makes sense and a smarter way of taking fights. So in the end, what matters most for beginners is simple. Good weapons, smart positioning, solid tactics, and a build that fits together. Because in Mech Arena, flashy gear does not always win. Most of the time, the smarter build does.